In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a home value estimator with Outgrow, a powerful tool for building interactive content like quizzes, calculators, and assessments. Whether you're a real estate agent or a business looking to engage your audience with personalized results, this is the tool you need. Outgrow is a platform designed to help you create interactive content with ease. In just a few simple steps, you can set up your own home value estimator, which can drive engagement and help collect valuable insights from your users. With Outgrow, you don't need coding skills or any technical background. It's a user-friendly platform that makes interactive content creation simple. First, let's talk about the setup. Once you sign up and log in to Outgrow, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, you can create a new calculator or quiz. In our case, we're creating a home value estimator. Click on the Create button and select the calculator template. Outgrow provides several pre-built templates designed specifically for real estate, so you won't have to start from scratch. Pick one that fits your needs. Now we need to customize it to fit your specific criteria for home valuation. Outgrow allows you to add questions that will guide users through the process of estimating their home's value. For example, you might ask questions like the home's square footage, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the age of the property, and the location. These questions will form the basis of the estimator, and the more detailed they are, the more accurate the result. You can customize the appearance of your estimator too. Outgrow offers plenty of options to match the look and feel of your brand, including fonts, colors, and logos. This ensures that your estimator doesn't just function well, but also looks professional and is in line with your brand identity. Next, Outgrow allows you to integrate conditional logic. This means you can create personalized paths for different types of users. For example, if a user answers that their property is in a certain neighborhood, you can tailor the questions or offer more specific results based on that answer. This makes the experience even more engaging and customized, which is key when trying to build trust and gather more data. Once your home value estimator is ready, you can set up automatic responses to engage with users right away. Outgrow allows you to add personalized email follow-ups or display custom messages on the results page. This is a great opportunity to collect leads by offering them a report or more information after they complete the estimator. When it comes to sharing your estimator, Outgrow makes it incredibly easy. You can embed it on your website with just a simple code snippet or share it via a direct link. If you're using this tool to grow your social media or send traffic from ads, you can track all your metrics in the Outgrow dashboard. This will allow you to see how your users are interacting with the content, which questions they're skipping, and which ones are most engaging. This is also a great tool for generating leads. Once users complete the estimator, you can capture their information through Outgrow's built-in lead capture forms. This is ideal for following up and converting them into customers, whether they're interested in selling their home, purchasing property, or simply curious about market trends. One of the best things about Outgrow is that you can try it for free through the first link below. You'll get exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial that allows you to explore all of Outgrow's features without the pressure of committing right away. So to wrap up, creating a home value estimator with Outgrow is an excellent way to engage your audience, gather valuable insights, and even generate leads. Whether you're a real estate professional or a business looking to provide a personalized experience, this tool can make a big impact. And don't forget, you can try it completely free from the link below with exclusive bonuses to help you get started. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't miss out on the exclusive offer in the description below. Go ahead and start building your own home value estimator today with Outgrow.